Hello, this is Calvin's. Today I want to show you a demo on Sacco management system. First and foremost, we need to log in. All right. So as admin 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we click login. All right. So this one is admin. So when we are logging in, we are going to log in as an admin or a member. So those two roles, they're the ones the system will check on during the login. Okay. When you are admin, you are able to access the whole of the system. When you are a member, you are able to access your dashboard where you will be able to see how you make contributions. Okay, let me log in as admin so that we are able to check on the whole of this system, right? So this is the dashboard, so you can see these are summaries: total members, total membership, total savings, pending loans, approved loans, rejected loans, total loan amount, total interest, total unpaid loans, total paid fines, cash at hand, and the total profit, right? So first and foremost, you need to add members. So adding members, you come to that, then you put the member first name, maybe Gerald, okay, Gerald, and the first name Gerald Otoyo, okay, Gerald Otoyo. Date of birth, you can put a date there. For example, let me say you can have 2000 February, maybe 8th. Then postal address, maybe something like okay, all right. Then ID number, maybe for example phone number. Then you need email. So email, you can say then next of kin, maybe you have David Hero, then phone number of David Hero, right? Then date for registration today, member membership fee, okay, membership fee 1500. Then you upload logo of the particular member, okay, not logo but photo. So you have this member here. Let's say that one there. Then now you put the signature. You also upload the signature, okay, signature, okay. So signature should be, I think signature I'm putting on this folder named signatures. This one here. Then you select the signature, right? So that is the signature of the member. Then you save that particular saved successfully. So that's how you'll be saving those members, right? Then you can as well update the members of updating. You simply put the ID number. So you put the ID number of the member. So the member will be saved. So then you click that. So this is the member we just added to the system. So you can always update anything here. Then you will update, right? Okay. So you can also delete member. So just put the that ID. Then you click delete. Then that's how the member will be removed from the system. So that's how you manage the members. You can also view the members. So when you're viewing the members, you will be able to also to view them just by putting the IDs. Then you click enter. Then the whole of that detail will come plus the registration fee. Okay. So that is how you manage member. Then after adding those members, savings begin. So deposit savings. So a member comes and wants to deposit. So like this member here, okay, that member, okay, then it's depositing 1500. then you save. Deposited 1500 as the first saving. Okay, you can also update a saving if at all something went bad or went wrongly. Okay, you can always update that saving. So 1500, you can change it to whatever you want to change it to, right? So you can also view savings. So these are the savings that we have made. So this is the number we've just added. Okay, but you can always put the ID there so that you're able to view it through that. So you can see the system is able to scale it down to that particular member, right? And the savings is put here, the total savings. So if you put a member like this one, you can see the total savings 150 is 1500. What about this member? Remember the total savings 8,500, and so on and so forth. Okay, that's how you can update or manage savings. So then after savings you need to take loans, right? So loan calculator will be able to give you the amount to be repaid or repayment amount per month. So for example, a member wants a loan of 10,000, so 10,000 then paid within 3 months. You can see the loan calculator is able to give you the monthly payment for that particular loan and the total payment at the end of it all, right? So then when a member is not taking 10,000, you will be able to know that he's supposed to repay 3,399. You will inform them well in time, right? So then we can now apply for loan. So let this member we just added apply for loan. Okay, so that's the member. So he's applying for a loan, is qualified for 4,500 because that's what, according to the system, that's what is supposed to be given because he has just contributed once, right? So because he has contributed once, the system will multiply that by 3 because there is a multiplier, rather the factor that the system is using to get the amount that's supposed to be taken for loan. So that is supposed to be dynamic. You can change it in the settings. Always you change it in settings. Okay. So the system will give you the total loan qualified, then you save. Okay. But you can give less than that. But when you try to give, for example, 5,000, the system will not allow you to give 5,000. Loan amount cannot exceed the total loan qualified amount of 4,500. Okay, so it must just be 4,500 or something below that. Okay, then you save. The loan is now waiting for approval. So let us approve that loan. So the loan is being approved like this. This is how we approve the loan. Okay, so this is the loan that has been applied for. So you either approve or reject. So let us approve. Then for how many months? For 3 months. All right. So we save. So that means the loan is already approved, and the member can now start repaying the loan and is able to receive that money. Okay. All right. So we can always refresh. You can see when you refresh, total membership fee is now changing to 11,000. Okay, and the membership has changed to 16. Okay, and everything here changes. So now that's how you manage those loans. Okay, so you can also view them. So these are the ones we just given, Gerald Toyo. You can see over there. You can also loan repayment. Okay, those are members that have not started repaying, so they are not in this list. Like the other one we just added, it's not yet in this list. So loan statements. This is where you will just view how members are doing the repayment. Okay, so then investment, because when you are giving loans, it means we are growing, right? We are growing. Another way we can have to grow is to invest our money, can have a business, right? So first of all, add income source types. Like for example, you can choose transport. Then the transport, you can have border border, or you can have PSV vehicle, and so on. Okay, so if you choose border, then you are able to save. So that means under transport, you want to invest your money in border border transport. So then you save. So that's how you are going to add those income sources that you want to deal with. So then you can also update those income sources. You will always have them here after adding them. So like border border, PSV, those ones we had added already. So you can choose the one you want to update, then you change whatever you want to change here or here. Okay, then you update. So you can also delete if you want to delete. If you want to delete, just come here, choose the one you want to delete. Okay, then just click delete. Then that is an investment which is now out of the system. Then you can also add income sources, because when you're talking about, for example, an income source like a retail shop, then you will have shop items, right? Then you need to add shop items. Okay, so you will add shop items. For example, you can add things like uh, for example, unga. Okay, no, I wanted to add a bar soup, maybe 1 kg, for example. Okay, cost price maybe 250. Okay, selling price 300. So quantity that we are adding now, we are adding 20 of them. Okay, okay, then you, that means that's a new item you've just added, right? So that's how you add those items. So then you can also update them. You can also update them. For example, we have just added this 1 kilogram bar of soap. You can always update anything here. Then you update. You can as well delete it. All right. So that's how you manage those particular items. Then you can also add the expense type here, because we know your savings group must be incurring some. There must be some expenses that we are going to have. For example, paying rent, paying for electricity, paying for some allowances for those people who are taking care of this particular group, and so on and so forth. So you add those expenses, maybe refreshment during meetings and so on. So you add those expenses into the system, and then after adding them, they will be used by the system. Okay, they will be used by the system when generating reports. So you save, then you add it to the system. So those are the investments, and those are the areas we can manage. Then transaction, something like record sale. So you are beginning to do sales. If you have a shop, for example, okay, so you just have, for example, you choose on that. Then quantity, maybe one. Then that means the sale date today. Then you will have to save that. Sugar, and then you can also make other sales as well. So that's how you record a sale. Then update sale, you want to update a sale, for example, the one we just entered is this one here. So you can update the quantity here if you like. Then you update. Okay, then you can also view sales. This one you view sales that you made. So like this one you just made today, so you can always view the sales. Then you can also record purchases, the purchases you are making. So like for example, today we have bought uh, 5 bars of soap. So when you put 5, it multiplies it by this one, you get the total amount. Then you save. So purchase items, right? And then you can also update purchases. For example, you can update this, change, then you update. You can also view purchases, as you can see. You can also record expenses. So for example, today some expenses we have incurred. For example, we've uh, given some, or we've done some repair to our house. Okay, repair to our shop. Then you put the amount that you have used, right? Then you save that one. So that's an expense. So that's how you record those expenses. Then also you can view the expenses. So this is the one, okay. You can view the expenses. The one we just made is not visible because of the year. The year we've just entered it, and now the year is 2024. The system is set to 2024, so it's only reflecting 2024 business or activities. So 2025, unless we change, we do it in the setting, we change the year to 2025. That is when that particular detail or only the 2025 activities will be reflected, right? That's why you can see the one we just made now. So cancel that. So then uh, we have reports, so you can always view these reports. Like for example, you want to view general savings report, how people have been saving. You generate this. So this shows how members have saved in the year 2024. Okay, and you can see it's a very good report. Okay, then you can also view another report, that is yearly member savings report. So you can select a member, then see how that member has saved in that particular year. For example, you want to see how this member has saved the year. His report or her report will be generated. So you can see the total here 6,000, he has saved 6,000 for the year 2024, right? So the system is very accurate, very professional. So you can also look at yearly general loan status report, how people are paying loan. Okay, then you view that, right? You can see very nice, very nice. Approved loan reports. You can see this member has paid the whole of 9,000 within 4 months, and this is the repayment amount. And now balance zero. So you can see this member still having a balance. This one is having a balance. This one is having a balance, and then this and is also having a balance. These ones have completed their loans. So the report is very, very good. It gives you insights, gives insight into, or it can give you direction, right? So members repayment report. So here you can also view how members are repaying. For example, this member here, how are they see this member has repaid the loan and the balance is zero. So the loan or repayment amount for the first repayment month is repaying this, the balance is still this, interest generated during that first repayment month is this, and then the second repayment month is repaying this, the balance is now this one, the interest is this. So you can see it's cumulatively uh, doing it very well, right? Then we can also view member fine reports. Some member might have defaulted, and when they default like that, charged, right? So this is just for demonstration. It's like this member here, the system is showing us that there are some 10 fines paying here, this one, this one, and this one. Total fine is this, maybe because of defaulting, right? Then uh, we also have the purchase reports, the yearly purchase reports. You want to know in 2024 how have purchases made. So this is how the purchases have happened in the year 2024. The general purchase, you can see the total amount 109,900 we've spent in purchases every time we purchase, right? So the report is very nice. You can see the cost, the quantity, the amount, and then the total title here is very nice and the header is clean. So that is general purchase report. Then there is also item purchase report. You want to know in 2025 how is this item doing? Uh, how is this item doing in terms of purchase of that particular year? So this is how we've purchased this particular item and we've spent 9,000 sacred during the purchase of this particular item, and these are the dates for purchase. So very nice, very nice. So you can also look at apart from purchase report, you can also look at sales report. So yearly sales report. So you want to see in 2024 how have you done with sales. So this is how you've done the sales. You can see very nice report. All those are sales done in the year. They are just for demonstration. That is the data we have in the system, and the system has analyzed it nicely. And you can see even the total sale is here and the total profit is here, because each sale generate a profit. You can see like we are selling 1 kilogram of sugar 250, the selling price is 300, and now we have sold the stock quantity is 1 we have, but we've sold 4 of them, total sale 1200, so that means profit is 200, right? And profits generated for each and every item sold report, which is very, very nice. Then apart from general sales report, you can also look at item sale report to check this item, how is it selling? Like for example, this white salt, how is it selling? Generating profit. So you can see this one is generating profit very well. Okay. Okay, you can see item sales report 500 white salt year 2024. So the system is generating according to the year that is displayed here. If you display another year, it will simply generate reports on that particular year. Right. So then you can also generate expense report to see how you are doing in terms of expenses. So let us look at the expenses we are having. So you can see these are the expenses we are having, and this is the total expense. Very nice. Then also you can have a look at apart from expense report, you can also have a look at expense type report. Like you want to check by type. Like for example, internet. How has internet costed you? How much have you spent on internet? 4,500, as you can see. So the system is doing it very nicely. So what about legal fees? In legal fee, we have spent how much we have spent 2,500, right? So the report is very nice. So it will depend with the quantity of data you have. When the data is too much, you generate pages of reports, okay? Then that is all about reports, okay? Then the user management here, you will be able to add user, okay? First name, last name, username, password, root. So the user want to use this system, whoever want to use this system is a member, you will always add them here, okay? Then you can also update the user by simply putting the username, like for example, this is an existing user, for example, that one, okay? This is an existing user. So you just search, then the deals come, then you can update, okay? So that's how you update member. You can also delete. You just put the username, okay? Then after putting the username, you put the password, and then the role, then you can delete. Or you can just put the username like that, then you click delete. It will still delete, okay? So then that's how you manage the users. You can as well change password, put your username here, new password, enter new password, then you change. So that's how you manage the users, okay? Then settings, you will always put group settings uh, so that your group setting is captured on reports. Like the name, for example, when you click here, you'll be able to, this process may take few seconds, kindly be patient, you'll be able to see that. Then after few seconds, we will have your group name here. Then you select your group name. After selecting your group name, put the postal address here, email, phone number, upload the logo. Okay, when you upload the logo, the group logo will just display there very nicely. Okay, when it display there, you will have uh, update. Okay, so you put the postal address, email, phone, and the group logo, then you update. Okay, that's how you change the group settings. So you also interest rate, you can change fine rate, session, reset system, multiply. All those are settings, you can do them at will. Okay, uh, reset setting, system that you usually want to delete. Okay, you say no because I don't want to delete that data. Then also multiplier, you want to change the factor that we normally use to determine the amount of loan a member should be given. That multiplier is always 3 for VSLA model. For VSLA model, the multiplier is always 3, but you can always adjust. You can make it 2, 1.5, whatever you want to do according to your group, right? So that is a setting. Then that's what you do in the setting, right? In the file, we have about the system, we have support, you can call those numbers, we have to log out, all right? Then we have exiting here. Then here we have total profit being displayed here. You can refresh here, all right? Then now let me log out and log in as now a member. I was logging in as admin. So as a member, maybe I want to log in as a member like this, for example, password. So when you log in as a member, you take it to your dashboard and you can see very nice. You can see very nice. So your photo here, welcome Calvin's. Okay, total saving you've made is here, right? And then you will see the savings that you've been doing within your group, right? So that is how the member will use this particular system. So when you log out, let me log out in as another member, right? Peter. So let me see if that may work. You can see welcome Peter Grant. So this is the photo, and the Peter Grant has contributed 8,500, and these are the contributions. You can add this one, you get 8,500. So you can see very nice, very nice. So very nice, very nice, friends. So that is how the system works. I believe you've enjoyed those reports that we were generating. They were just being stored on the desktop, and you can always view any of them. You can always check on them. When you want to print, you can always print them. They are just here on the desktop because you were saving them and they were being saved on the desktop. So you can always print them if you like. So we are already seen them. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you abundantly until we meet